Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we'll discuss the major differences between the hypo and hypothyroidism, their clinical symptoms, and their medical and surgical management. So let's start our today's video without any delay.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.
Hypo and hyperthyroidism. What does it mean? As the name suggests, hyperthyroidism is the increase in serum T3 and T4 levels. Those are the thyroid hormones. And hypothyroidism is decrease in serum T3 and T4 levels. Details about the thyroid hormones are dealt in the previous video. The link is in the card. So let's start with hyperthyroidism. Clinical symptoms include weight loss despite of normal appetite, heat intolerance, lethargy and generalized weakness, goiter, that is increase in size of thyroid gland, which might be a single nodular or a multinodular, diarrhea, anorexia. These people tend to have a fear of getting obese, so they starve themselves. Vomiting, increase in systolic blood pressure, increase in pulse, palpitations, sinus tachycardia, atrial fibrillation and cardiac failure, increase in asthmatic symptoms of asthma patient, shortness of breath, lymphadenopathy, anemia, tremors, proximal muscle weakness, unable to swallow the food, speech irregularities, increased sweating, itching, hair loss, palmar arrhythmia, pretibial myxedema. It is caused by accumulation of a glycosaminoglycan known as hyaluronic acid, loss of nails from the nail bed, hypopigmentation, vitiligo, irregular menstruation, infertility, spontaneous abortion, loss of libido, gynecomastia, increase in frequency of urination and nocturia, lid lag, increase in lacrimation, diplopia or double vision, exophthalmos, periorbital edema, corneal ulceration, and ophthalmoplegia, osteoporosis. This is a decrease in bone concentration, which may tend to increase the fractures, anxiety disorders, emotional liabilities, and psychosis. Treatment. Medical management includes usage of antithyroid drugs like propylthiouracil, methimazole, carbimazole. These drugs decrease the thyroid hormone synthesis and their release from thyroid gland. The major side effects of these drugs are agranulocytosis. So the patient is advised to discontinue the medication and consult the physician if the symptoms like fever and infection of pharynx occurs. Usage of radioactive iodine. Iodine 131 is used to treat hyperthyroidism where the patients are allergic to the antithyroid drugs and where the antithyroid drugs fail to induce a long-term euthyroid state. Radioactive iodine is contraindicated in pregnancy. The antithyroid drugs should be stopped for 3 to 4 days before the radioactive iodine therapy. Beta blockers like propranolol can be used to treat systematic symptoms like tachycardia, palpitations and tremors. Surgical treatment includes subtotal thyroidectomy. Coming on to hypothyroidism. Clinical symptoms include weight gain, lethargy, increase in tendency to sleep, cold intolerance, harshness of voice, puffiness of face, dry and pale skin, loss of eyebrows, non-pitting edema, keratonemia, yellowish discoloration of skin, coarse hair and hair loss, xanthelasma, anemia, increase in diastolic blood pressure, bradycardia and reduced cardiac output, angina, pericardial effusion, hypoventilation, sleep apnea, dyspnea while exertion, pleural effusion, increase in the size of tongue, diarrhea, loss of taste, ascites, irregular menstruation, decreased fertilization, loss of libido, erectile dysfunction and delayed ejaculation, encephalopathy, that is damage to brain, and a state of coma known as myxedema coma, mental retardation in children, carpal tunnel syndrome, that is feeling of numbness and pain in these regions, damage to cerebellum, psychosis, unable to relax the muscles, loss of tendon reflexes, muscle pain, joint pain, stiffness of joints. Treatment modalities include the use of levothyroxine. These drugs help in decreasing hypothyroidism. In the next video, we will deal with the diseases related to thyroid gland. Hope you all liked the video. Please do like, share and
please subscribe, whatever.